My name is Nija Mashruwala. I do enjoy food and other interesting kind of culinary activities. I was curious about cider making and fermentation in general, and the ALCHEMA looked like it had a wonderful process for me to just very gently get into the science and get some practical experience as well. The biggest difference between using ALCHEMA and using just a homebrew setup for $15, one was drinkable, the other was not. Once it was a disaster. I had moonshine. It was way too strong, it didn't taste good. It was, yeah, it was pretty bad. I put it in the compost pile. ALCHEMA really helps me focus on creating different flavors. I don't have to worry as much about, is this in the right temperature? Is this the right yeast? Is this gonna get really funky? Am I gonna pull it out too soon or too late? The app tells me that. Looking at the graphs in the UI, it helps me figure out, okay, well, this is what corresponds with each flavor profile. And then I focus on the flavors and the actual process and less so on the chemistry. So I get to be creative in a really nicely structured way. I did share cider with friends. All of them have loved it. I have a person that I work out with, and he was the person that I made the second coffee cider batch for, and he loves it. Like, he's like, do you have any more cider? I think there is a lot of possibility for ALCHEMA. For me, I've seen it mostly for mixed drinks. I can make a batch, and then I generally have to dilute it with something because the alcohol is so strong. But the flavors are amazing. So I go back and forth. I think I want to do a watermelon something, like maybe a watermelon lime sometime soon for summer. My favorite part about using ALCHEMA is that I get to make something really delicious and really custom. I think my second favorite part is the amazing community that has grown up.